Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we will be having a quick how to use Higgsfield AI Cinema Studio. To use Higgsfield AI Cinema Studio, start by opening the app and create a new project. Choose your preferred video format and resolution, then import your media files like images or clips into the timeline. You can see here you just can write all your prompts and then generate, and then you can also upload an image. After that, explore the AI tools. You can generate scenes, add virtual characters, or apply cinematic effects by simply typing the prompts and interface. Adjust timing, transitions, and camera angles using the intuitive drag and drop interface. So once your project looks ready, preview it to check for smoother edits and AI enhancement. Finally, export your video in the desired format that you want and share it directly to social media or save it to your device. With Higgsfield, even complex cinematic edits become fast, AI powered, and professional looking.